Now we're going slower and slower. Wrong way. So I'll turn it the other way. And we'll speed it up, and we're starting to spread the signal out. We want to display one full waveform. If I turn one more time, that's too much, because this is half of the waveform here, and then we lose it. So turn it back one detent, and I can see that from here to here is half of the waveform, and from here to here is the other half of the waveform. Now, the most important part is that we were to get 200 millivolts. 50, 100, 150, 200, because each division is worth 50 millivolts. Each centimeter squared on the vertical is worth 50 millivolts. So 50 millivolts, another 50, another 50. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 50 millivolts is 200 millivolts. So we're good.